Super easy to ride, guys. Really, really easy. Super comfy. Hi guys, welcome to Supermet. Today I am with the Mate Bike X. This is it's quite high. It's a 750 watt, Bafang powered, rear drive with a battery e-bike. And you can see Tundra tires, hydraulic brakes. I think they're 160mm disc. They may be 140. I can't actually tell. I think they're 160s with hydraulic calipers. Adjustable suspension, which you can just click around on top to give yourself a different ride. It's got the same at the back. This isn't adjustable though, but it's got a shock. It's a foldable bike and it is pink, or as PET are telling me, it's not pink, Dom, it's salmon. Well, I'm not so sure about this, but really nice bike, not too heavy. I'm going to get the stats, which I'll put on the screen because I don't know exactly how much it weighs, but it's a doable, liftable bike. So you could actually put the seat down. You can unlock the stem here. You can basically, if I turn it around this way, you can see you can undo this clasp, which has got a safety lock on it, and you could put this under your desk or next to your desk, or carry it into your house and then charge it back up. It's a nice bike. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's seriously comfy. These tires are so spongy. I mean, look at those. It's just amazing. I mean, it's really, you feel it would go anywhere. Yet it's kind of a commuter bike design. So not very much power on this one, but it's quite comfy. So let's see how we get along, yeah? Why is it always so windy? So I'm going along, it's what, 29 kilometers per hour. There's a problem with the throttle though, I can feel. It won't open wide open. I can only open it a bit. So let's just see how fast. Yeah, I push it too much and it actually slows down. So I think there's an issue with either the controller or with the throttle. Comfy though. Let's get it up here. So this is as far as I can push the throttle. It's about halfway. So that's 33. It's a comfy bike, I like it. Very easy to ride. Let's change gear as well. So we're in 6 at the moment. Let's get it into 7. Let's get it into 8. Yeah, 8 is the top. Whoa, a bit of water I think ahead. Comfy over these speed bumps. Noisy road tires. Yeah, so I'm doing what, 32 kilometers per hour. This isn't miles an hour, so you've got to divide that by 1.6. So I'm doing about 20 miles an hour. Hear that front brake? Yeah, that's something, that brake needs adjusting. But it's very easy on the pedal assist, takes over quite quickly, and you can really get motoring along. You feel the assist after two pedals, and you feel the assist kick in, and then it's just super easy. I like it. I'm just not so sure about the color. That's the only problem. But it's handles well. Easy one to ride for sure. I don't ride many bikes. This is all very new to me. Let's try some speed bumps, see how the suspension is. Yeah, it's fine. As you expect. Let's do another one. Here we go. Yeah, it's good. This would be a good commuter bike. I'd have no issue pedaling this for miles and miles. Be interesting to know what the range is on it. So I've only got 26% battery. I just don't know how far it'll go, but it handles well. I mean, I'm really moving it around, no problem at all. The bike feels absolutely fine. It says here as he steers through just traffic things. Suspension, I like. It's too heavy to jump. What is it with English weather? It's May. Why can't we have some nice weather? Look at all this flooding on the road, it's horrendous. Wow, now I'm wet. I love what I do. Yeah, so I'm whipping along, 33 kilometers per hour, so about 20 miles an hour. I am pedaling. I can feel it on my thighs, my knees. It's making it very easy. Okay, I think we should hit that front brake. Something wrong with that front brake. I think it's slightly out of alignment. That seems to be the top whack. I'm in assist 9, 34, but my battery's low. So I imagine with a full battery, it will actually go a lot quicker. One hand on it, no problem at all. I think it will, it's quite steady. Whoa, a lot of water. It's easy to do it with no hands as well. Cool, I haven't done that for a few years. Keep pedaling it, let's see. It's quite balanced, see? No problem whatsoever. It's also nice to have this assist where your feet can just stop and you could use the throttle. So I'm just coasting at the moment, freewheeling, 26 kilometers per hour. This would be a nice way to get to work in the mornings, I have to say. I would really enjoy it. Too windy. Okay, let's pedal it as well. I was cheating. And of course, if you pedal and use the assist, you're going to go much further on a single charge. It's an impressive machine. Come on, let's get that cyclist. Okay, and let's go off over here and let's have another look at it. No, we're not, it's gonna rain. What a day for taking a bike out. So this is where we come down on the scooters and we really whip it along around here. Yeah, that front brake, something wrong with it. Needs sorting. It's very comfy, very easy ride. The assist is nice. It comes in quite gradually and you can really feel it kind of taking over and propelling you along. It's got a nice feel to it. Hear that motor whirring around. Okay, let's get her back in. Ooh.